Hi there, welcome back. This is Mano here. In this series of vocabulary videos, we are going to look at individual words and phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, primary use, some sentences to see how it's practically used, some relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms again, if any. Let's start. Today's word is haughty. It's got 2 syllables, ho-ti, and the first syllable is stressed. Haughty. It means to be disdainfully proud and snobbish, somebody who is proud in a bad way. When you look down upon somebody, you are haughty. It's also somebody who admires a social superior rather slavishly, while being condescending and overbearing towards others. Someone who thinks he or she is an expert or superior, and the others who disagree with him or her are simply too stupid. It's not a jargon, so it can be used in any area. Let's look at a few sentences here to know how it's practically used. She was very beautiful but too haughty to even notice us. The district magistrate was so haughty that he refused to let the dying patient through the traffic that was halted to let a VVIP pass. The boss was so haughty that he wouldn't listen to the most experienced engineer in his factory. This resulted in huge losses due to machine breakdowns. Aurangzeb was a haughty ruler who tyrannized the Hindus and imposed the jizya tax on them. The haughty and autocratic attitude of the British continued even after independence by their descendants who stayed back in India. Now let's look at a question. What is the antonym of haughty? Well, some antonyms are humble, meek, shy, timid, unassuming, unpretentious, unostentatious. My personal view is shy, timid and meek are not really the antonyms of haughty, although they are shown to be so. Shy, timid and meek are really negative, but humble, unassuming, unpretentious, unostentatious are not negative. They are positive, in fact. Now finally a few synonyms: cavalier, imperious, snobbish, hoity-toity, high and mighty, stuck up. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.